Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I have a little summer try-on haul featuring Abercrombie. So I took advantage of their Memorial Day sale, which this shipped out insanely fast. I think I bought this on like a Friday and received it, or maybe I bought it on a Thursday. I don't know, it was something they were doing 20% off, and so your girl stocked up. I don't know if it was actually Memorial Day, but they carried it through Memorial Day weekend. But I picked up some stuff, some I love, some are complete flops. So as always, I will have everything linked down below. I'm going to try everything on and style it kind of how I envisioned it. And kind of share with you whether I'm keeping it or returning it. And as always, I love when you guys comment down below whether you think something is good, not good, whatever the case may be. Without further ado, let's jump into what I picked up for the summertime. Okay, so I love when Abercrombie picks a print and does it in a million different things, because then I'm able to be like, I love that print, but I don't love it in that specific item, and they're always bound to pick it up with something else, okay? So when I saw this print specifically, this like very like Greek, like, I don't know, this reminds me of like a Greece vacation. It's got the lemon and the white and the blue and the waves and the fish and the olives and the sun and the tomatoes and the shrimp and the whatever. I love this. I'm obsessed with this print. I think they originally released it in a dress, and then they released it in a skirt and in pants and in whatever. I would have loved the skirt, but they were like sold out of it when I was buying this stuff. But I figured a shirt would be the easiest way to incorporate it into my wardrobe, because patterns can be kind of hard. They can be hard to mix and match with things, and I don't know. I knew I wanted to pick it up in something, but I just didn't know what. But I think this style top worked out perfectly. So I did size up to a medium in this one, and I'm happy that I did. And the main reason I did that with this one is I wanted some more length. I wanted to ensure that it wasn't cropped, and I got what I wanted with this. I could have gone to a small because there is like some looseness, but I still really enjoy it. This is just a simple little like tie top. It's got a straight across neckline, so you can tie the ties however you would like, more towards the front, more towards the back, long, short, whatever, to kind of control the way it sits on your chest as well. It's got a ruched back detailing. It doesn't have any zipper or anything to get in and out of, but that's fine because, like I said, it's got this ruched back detailing. This is really pretty. I really liked it with navy linen pants. You can put it with shorts. It is a kind of like a creamy white and not a full white. So keep that in mind. It doesn't pair well perfectly with white, but I do love this print, and I think it is super cute. So I'm happy I picked up something that was fun, dipped my toes into, so I can like have something in this print because I love it, but not something that I've like committed $100 with a dress to, you know what I mean? So that's the first piece. Okay, this next piece, I wanted just a basic little tank like this because I think these will be perfect for when we move back to Texas in a month, for like an elevated summer tank top, if you will. I love these. These are kind of like very stretchy and whatever. I got this in a medium, too small or too big. I have just a lot of gaping up towards the top and in the breast, and you can see my bra through the side. So I definitely need to get this in a size small, but this is really nice. It's double lined and it just fits very classic and very pretty. I feel like it elevates over like a ribbed tank top, like a racerback tank top. I feel like this is just a very nice silhouette with this like straight across little neckline. Pair it with jeans, pair it with shorts, pair it with anything like that, and I feel like it kind of elevates it. So I'm going to be getting this in a size small. It's so soft, it's so buttery, and what was I gonna say? Yeah, I feel like you can wear this a million different ways. So I'm definitely gonna just grab that in a size small. Okay, this next top I was kind of on the fence of whether I would like it or not. Again, I got it in a medium. I think I could have done a small for a more tailored look. This I thought would be really cute. Like honestly, when I like looked at it, I thought it would be cute along the trends of like the tailored vests and stuff. But now that I have it in my hands, if you're an office girl, I think this is going to be a staple for you in terms of like when it's really hot out, because you can't wear like tank tops to the office, but this is definitely a more structured, tailored vest. I liked this. I just didn't love it enough to be like, yes, it's sticking with me. But if I was in a corporate office setting, 1000% yes. It's kind of this cream material or cream color with this sort of trouser material. I like the little faux pockets. It has a zipper to get in and out of on the side, so it's, like I said, very tailored with a little hook and eye as well, so looks just really nice. And then it also has a little teardrop button detail in the back. So, oh, I actually got this in a small. Okay, so maybe it's supposed to fit kind of looser, but I would say if you're in between sizes, size down, because I feel like it could have been a little bit more tailored, but I don't know. It has a lot of structure to it. It's kind of got this flared outside. I just think it looked really cute. I honestly don't think I'm gonna keep that piece though, because I don't think I'm gonna wear it enough within my wardrobe. I did get it to style with this because I thought this would be a really cute look. I think I need this in a smaller size. I got this in a medium, the little skirt. It's just very wide in the hips, like honestly way too wide in the hips. Like at first I was like, is this curve love? But it's not. I think it just fits a little bit wide in the hips. Besides that, I liked the way it fit otherwise, but I think it needed to be a little bit more narrow in the hips. I had just like a lot of extra room on it. I loved the print of this. I love the fact that this is a skirt. It's a heavy sort of linen-esque material, and I loved the colors of this. I have nothing like this in my wardrobe whatsoever, and I feel like Abercrombie does prints very timelessly. I feel like this kind of print will be good all spring, summer, into many different seasons. It's a peony, like it's pretty. I do love this like sort of A-line drop front in the flap of this little skirt. It is skirt looking in the front and in the back. I hate when they do shorts in the back. I don't know why, it drives me nuts. And then it has just little like, what do I want to say, like little, like soft cotton shorts underneath. So very cute. I think I just want to try that in a size small. Next for skirts, this is a collaboration with, I believe, like a British fashion girl, English fashion girl, I'm not exactly sure. For some reason, looking at the pictures, I thought I ordered the top and the bottom, but I lied. I ordered the top, or I ordered 2 bottoms. They were sold out of the top. And I thought, okay, once I got it, I was like, oh, that's weird. But then I was like, what can I style this with? And turns out nothing. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna keep this at all unless the top comes back in stock, and then I would think about it, but it's kind of just one dimension. If you're a big matching sets kind of girl, then this is so cute. I love it. But the white linen shirt was just too off-light for this. I don't know, I just didn't love it. Again, this is a skirt. It's meant to fit a little bit low-rise, so I did get it. I got the skirt originally in the medium, and I was gonna get the top in a small. A small bottom fits fine. It's a little bit low-waisted, so it goes below my belly button, but I just don't think I'll keep this because I don't know how I would style this whatsoever, but it is really cute. So if you can find the top, they also make it in black and cream. I think it would be really cute, and if you're a matching sets girl, then hop on board. These I kind of love. Okay, so these are the ultra high wide leg little like linen trouser. These are a thicker linen. Again, if you're in an office space, I think these would be really cute. I own a lot of like trouser pants. Well, not a lot. I own a couple trouser pants, and then I own a lot of like flowy, baggy, loose linen pants. These are more of like a trouser than a linen pant because they are not going to be breathable like your typical linen pants. They have a lining inside, which I like, but also don't, because if you live someplace where it's really hot, these are not gonna be your breathy, airy, flowy kind of pants. They're honestly thicker than my normal trousers, which is insane. And I don't even think they're that see-through, so I don't know why they double line them, and I wish they didn't. But I get why they did. They're very nicely made. I love how they have a little bit of stretch in the back, but they are a very tailored look to them. And I love the green and striped. They also have this print in like skirt. I don't know what else, but I would have loved it in a skirt as well, like the skirt, but cute. And I think, I don't know, I'm on the fence with these. Let me know in the comments down below. Next one I picked up were these little blue ones, and these just fit very different than the other ones. These are the Curve Love ones, so maybe that's why. But these were short though on me. They were kind of like a high, they didn't touch the ground. I was like, that's weird. I never normally have an issue with Abercrombie's trousers not hitting the ground on me. I'm only like 5'5", 5'6", so I'm pretty much a regular in them all the time, so I don't know why. I loved this blue. This is just a normal trouser, not double lined or anything like that. So these are actually more lightweight, even though they feel a little bit stiffer than the linen ones that I just showed you, because they're not double lined, so they're a little bit more breathable in my opinion. I loved the pattern of these. I just hate the way these fit on me, so I would either need to try a different size and see if potentially it would give me more length, or see if they carry them in a different length. But I do love this kind of like heathered blue. I think it's a really pretty way to wear something, like if you wanted to wear like a light blue denim but you can't, something like that would be cute. Let's end with button-ups, because we all know those are always a win for me. So the first one being this. I actually found this when I was linking a different button-up that Abercrombie is now sold out of from one of my outfit videos, and I saw this color and I was like, yes, you are coming home with me. So this is just their oversized button-ups. I loved this blue with white stripe. I don't know, I think it's so cute. I actually thought it'd be more brighter blue, but it's not. It's kind of a more muted-ish blue, but I love it still. It's got like a whitish, kind of light blue stripe running through it, but I love this. I think this goes great with white linen. It goes great with navy blue. This can be worn with so many different things, and yes, it's a keep for me. Okay, and along the lines of linen and button-ups, I have a ton. I have a lot that I get a lot of my button-ups that are linen from H&M. They just have really good prices, and I like their color selection, but they never have like patterns. So when I saw this, I was like, yeah, I like you. This is like a white with kind of like a bluish gray piping through it, like a double line. One thing I will say about this is much thicker, not see-through, a much thicker, more weighted linen shirt, because it isn't 100% linen. It's linen with viscose, which honestly I was kind of like, I don't know how I feel about that, because H&M's are 100% linen and a whole lot cheaper. So not as breathable as a natural 100% linen material, but it does feel a little bit thicker. So if you don't like sheer linen shirts, I would definitely check this out. And if you're looking for a good pattern, because I love this. I envisioned wearing this with like my blue trouser shorts, my blue linen shorts, jeans, anything like that, shorts. I thought it would be super cute. So that is it, you guys. Those are all the things that I picked up from Abercrombie. Kind of a mix across the board of hits and misses, not gonna lie. Nothing was like insanely yes, besides the button-ups, but kind of a little bit of on the fence about some things. So as always, please sound off in the comments down below. I will have everything linked on the little YouTube shop button, as well as in the description box down below, whichever way you prefer to shop. And yeah, if there's any other brands that you like to see try on hauls of, getting my opinion, hit or miss, whether you think you should check it out or not, let me know in the comments down below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video very, very soon.